Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to highlight how you can hide birthday on Twitter. So that's a very simple thing to do. You just need to open your Twitter profile, which you can do from my home page by tapping on your avatar and tapping at the respective profile option. In here, tap at the top right corner of the screen, tap at the edit profile button, then birth date, and over here at the who sees this section, choose the only you option for month and day, and only you option for year. Then tap at the continue button, save, confirm, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.